This is a much shortened version of my adding vectors every single step video. Problem: I walk 30 degrees north of east for 5 kilometers and then 3 kilometers due southeast. How far am I from my starting point and in what direction? This is a problem in adding vectors. We're going to add vectors by components, and that has 3 steps. We're going to break each vector up, we're going to add the components, and we're going to put the final answer back together. Okay, here we go. To break up a vector, there's a bunch of little steps. We're going to draw the vector, we're going to choose plus x plus y axes, we're going to draw a box, we are going to identify which of the 2 triangles we're going to use, and then which angle we're going to use. We're going to identify the opposite and adjacent, we're going to name the sides of the triangle, we're going to fill in the SOHCAHTOA equations, we're going to solve those equations for the components, and plug it into the calculator. We only choose the xy axes once, and the rest of the steps we're going to do for each vector involved. Okay, here we go. Draw the first vector. Draw the axes. Draw parallel lines at the head to make a box. Choose the bottom triangle and the angle. Name the components, the sides. Write SOHCAHTOA. Fill the equations in. Solve them, and calculate the components. Second vector. Same axes as before. Draw the box. Choose the upper triangle this time. Name the component. Plug in values, and calculate the components. Step 2, we're going to add the x's and add the y's to get the resultant x and y. Step 3, put the answer together. We have our x and our y. We want r and phi. We'll use Pythagoras to get r, and for phi, we'll use tangent phi equals ry over rx. We plug in our values, that'll give us tangent phi, and we have to use the inverse tangent button to get back the phi, which is 3.37 degrees. We have the numbers for our answer, and we write our answer in the same language that the question used. If that was too fast, I've got a 16-minute slow version of the exact same thing. Thanks for watching.